Hey guys, exciting day here today on the homestead. Today we're going to take a look at another clone chainsaw. Let's see what we got. All right guys, this is the Holzfforma G466. This is a Stihl 460 or 046 clone chainsaw. What that means is every part on this chainsaw is 100% compatible with the Stihl version. So if anything goes wrong, you just replace it with Stihl OEM parts and you're good to go. So I want to get this thing all set up and take a closer look at things and go cut some wood. I mean, that's what we're here for. We're gonna cut some wood. But I'm pretty excited about this model. It is a 76cc chainsaw. This would be in the pro line of chainsaws. And I do own the Stihl version of this. Actually, it's a 461, and it's one of my favorite chainsaws. So I'm hoping that this thing holds its own next to the Stihl version. We'll see over time. What I got here is the chainsaw. I did get a 25-inch bar with chain. It did come with a full wrap handle, and then an owner's manual, little mixing bottle, and a bag full of tools. We'll use these tools to assemble our handle, put our dog on. Looks like it only comes with one dog, so we'll get that mounted on there. And it does come with a little carbureting adjusting screwdriver and a wrench. So let's get this thing all set up and go fire it up for the first time. I want to get cutting, so let's do this. One more thing before we get started, because this question is going to come up. How much does this cost? It's $329 with free shipping, and it's in the US already, so it literally took 2 days for this thing to get to my house. Holzfforma has a lot of US stock now. A lot of their popular chainsaws are ready to ship from a warehouse here in the United States. Get here within a couple days. So $329 for the Holzfforma. The Stihl version of this is well over $1,000. So quite a bit of savings in money there. All right, first things first, let's get this handle mounted. While we're under here, we'll make sure our oiler's turned all the way up. I guess it is. All right, let's get a bar on this thing. Oh, we gotta do the dogs. Uh-oh. The ghost. Almost forgot my most important thing here. My Firewood measuring device. All right. All right, guys, that's the first full tank run through the saw. I guess there's lots of opinions on break-ins on chainsaws. I'm not gonna get involved in that. But anyways, we're basically breaking it in. I did tune on the carb just a little bit. It was running just a little fat, too fat really. So I leaned it out a little bit. It still needs a little more. I'll run probably one more tank through it like it is. At least one more, maybe two. And then I'll really dial that carb in and get it to its full potential. But so far, I'm very happy with it. Obviously, it's a very powerful chainsaw. It works very well. It's a good firewood saw, really. But anyways, we don't have a lot of big wood to cut today. Just kind of cleaning up this area back here. It's a mess. This is directly behind my shop. I can't get to the front field right now. It's just too wet. So I figured this is within walking distance of the shop, so it's not too bad to come back here, and this needs done anyway. I really like to get back here, get all this cleaned up, burn some of this brush, and get some of this poison ivy off of these trees. These poor trees. This is every tree you look at, it's got poison ivy wrapped around it, except for this beech. Why don't you have poison ivy, beech? Anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up for today. Got some other things I want to do yet, and then we'll have some more videos on this chainsaw cutting really soon. So till next time, guys, see you in the next video.